Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Reddy. Today I'm going to present on the topic called social media monitoring and information retrieval. What is social media monitoring? Social media monitoring is the process of collecting and analyzing data from social media platforms. It helps businesses and researchers track trends, customer opinions, and public comment. Insights gained allow companies to improve products, respond to crises, and make data-driven decisions. So, why social media monitoring is important? It is important for the digital landscape since it is fast moving and staying updated is crucial. It enables businesses to understand consumer needs and industry trends. And also, it helps organizations monitor critical issues and respond in real time. Now, there are various applications of social media monitoring across various industries. For example, marketing industries. So they access brand perception and consumer sentiment. So let's say politics, they all understand public opinion or policies and campaigns, and healthcare. So to track public discussions on health trends, and also for customer support to identify and address customer concerns, and also crisis management. So it helps to respond to political potential crisis swiftly. So social media monitoring is a powerful tool for businesses and organizations. It provides real-time insights for informed decision making and also helps brands to stay competitive and responsive in a dynamic environment. Now, coming to key IR techniques for social media monitoring. So, there are several information retrieval techniques which are essential for analyzing social media data. So, these methods help in structuring and extracting valuable insights from vast amounts of unstructured text. So, first one is text classification. So, this tool categorizes social media posts into predefined groups. For example, spam versus non-spam, news versus opinion. And also, it is used for organizing discussions and identifying relevant content. Next one is sentiment analysis, which determines the emotional tone behind a tone, whether it is a positive, negative, or neutral. And also, it helps businesses gauge customer satisfaction and public perception. Next thing is topic modeling, which uncovers hidden themes and topics within large datasets. It is very useful for detecting trending discussions and emerging these issues, right? And also, next one is keyword extraction. It helps in identifying the most relevant words and phrases in a given text. It also enhances searchability and helps in tracking key discussion points. Now let's analyze social media data for insights. So the sample datasets shown helps illustrate how social media monitoring works. The data consists of five key columns. First one is post ID, which is a unique identifier for each social media post. The next is user ID, which represent the user who posted the content and also post content. It is the actual text of the post. Next is sentiment, the emotional tone detected in the past, which is whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. And also the last one is keywords, which is the most relevant words extracted from the post. So the observations here are: posts with positive sentiment contain words like love, amazing, and quality. And the posts with negative sentiment include words like terrible, broke, and disappointing. These keywords help in summarizing the post theme without reading the full content. Now, how this data is used in social media monitoring is: first, brand sentiment analysis. Let's say companies can track the positive and negative feedback on their products, and also helps in improving customer experience and brand reputation. It also identifies negative trends early in address complaints before they escalate, and also it helps businesses understand trending topics among users, and supports marketing tips in crafting data driven strategies. Now, these social media datasets provide valuable insights into customer behavior and market trends. And also using sentiment analysis and keyword extraction, organizations can also make informed decisions. This analyzing structured data like this enhances business strategies and crisis management efforts. Now let's talk about text classification. Text classification is a supervised machine learning technique which is used to categorize text into predefined levels. It automates the process of analyzing large volumes of textual data, making it easier to manage and extract insights. For example, a social media post can be classified as news, spam, product review, or complaint based on its content. Let's see how it works. First, a model is trained on labeled data where each post is already assigned a category. Now, the algorithm learns patterns, keywords, and structures that distinguish categories. Now, once that is trained, the model can analyze and categorize new unseen social media posts automatically. For example, a post like "This product is terrible, I want a refund" gets classified as a complaint. Now, the other post, let's say "Best phone ever, amazing camera quality" is categorized as product review, right? Now, these popular algorithm for there are various popular algorithms like support vector machines, which is a powerful traditional ML model for text categorization, and it is also effective for spam detection and the sentiment analysis. The next is naive Bayes, which is based on probability, commonly used for classifying short text, and it is also fast and efficient for tasks like email filtering. And also neural networks, which is a deep learning model that understand context better, and it is also widely used for sentiment and intent detection, right? And there are also various applications in social media monitoring. First is let's say customer support prioritization, automatically categorizes complaints, compliments, and inquiries. It helps brands prioritize urgent customer issues and respond efficiently. And also brand reputation management, like it identifies negative feedback, allowing brands to take action quickly. And spam and fake news detection filters out irrelevant or misleading content from social media feeds. And also market research and trend analysis, which businesses can keep track emerging trends by classifying discussions, and also helps in making data driven marketing decisions, right? So this is a powerful tool. It enables brands, researchers, and customer services teams to extract meaningful insights. And with advanced machine learning models, classification is becoming more accurate and efficient also. Now let's understand about sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, which is also known as opinion mining, it is a technique used to determine the emotional tone of a piece of text. It helps classify text as positive, negative, or neutral, providing insights into customer opinions and trends. Now, business can use sentiment analysis to understand public perception, monitor feedback, and also respond to customer concerns effectively. How this works? First, it collects data. It extracts social media posts, reviews, or comments, and this remove unnecessary words, identify sentiment bearing terms, and analyze context. This is text processing and feature extraction. And then it classifies text into positive, negative, or neutral sentiment using NLP techniques. For example, "I love this phone, the battery lasts all day." It is a positive statement. "The update is terrible, my app keeps crashing," which is a negative statement, right? Now, there are various techniques used in sentiment analysis. First one is lexicon, based on best approaches. So the trained model learns pattern from label data. For example, naive Bayes, simple and efficient for classification. Long short-term memory, which is a deep learning model that captures long-range dependencies in text. And there are various applications of sentiment analysis in social media. First is brand reputation monitoring, which tracks public sentiment towards the brand or product in real time. And also product and service feedback, which analyze product reviews to identify strengths and areas for improvement, and which helps companies make data driven product decisions. And also campaign performance analysis, which measures audience reaction or to marketing campaigns and product launches. And crisis detection and management, which there might be sudden spikes in negative sentiment, which can indicate emerging issues, and also helps in brands respond proactively to consumer concerns also. Now let's talk about topic modeling. What is topic modeling? Topic modeling is an unsupervised machine learning technique that identifies hidden themes or topics within a collection of text. It helps automatically detect what people are discussing without requiring predefined categories. Now, it helps analyze large volumes of social media data to uncover trends useful for businesses to understand customer interests and emerging topics. So first, it gathers social media posts, comments, or reviews from the sources. Now, this removes stop words, tokenized words, and clean text. And this topic extraction using algorithm, the model groups words into topics based on their co-occurrence patterns. Now, each identified topic is analyzed and labeled based on its most relevant words. For example, a dataset of fashion related tweets might reveal topics like summer trends, floral prints, lightweight fabrics. Topic 2, sneakers, athletic wear, gym fashion. Each post is assigned a probability of belonging to different topics, right? And now there are popular topic modeling techniques. First one is LDA, latent Dirichlet allocation, which is a probabilistic model that assumes each document contains a mixture of topics. It identifies topics based on word distributions. Next is NMF, non-negative matrix factorization, which decomposes text data into parts to identify patterns in word usage, and it works well for extracting topics from shorter social media posts. And next is bed topic, which is a deep learning based approach using bed embeddings for more context aware topic detection. There are various applications of topic modeling in social media. First is trend identification, which detects emerging trends in real time. For example, viral hashtags, discussions, and also it helps brands stay updated with marketing trends. And next is customer insights and market research, which helps common customer concerns and preferences. Social media content strategy, which guides content creation by analyzing what topics resonate with audiences. And also crisis monitoring and public and which tracks conversations without potential PR issues. Next is keyword extraction. Keyword extraction is an automated process of identifying the most important words or phrases in a text. It helps summarize content without reading every detail. It extracts relevant insights from social media posts, helps businesses track discussions and customer feedback efficiently. Now, how this works is first text processing. Clean text by removing unnecessary elements like stop words, punctuation, etc. And next is feature extraction, which uh, identifying important words using statistical or algorithmic approaches. And next is keyword ranking and selection. The most relevant terms are selected based on their importance in the text. For example, a tweet like the new phone has an incredible camera and amazing battery life. Here, keywords are phone, camera, battery life, amazing, right? There are various techniques for a keyword extraction. First is TF-IDF, term frequency or inverse document frequency, which measures the importance of words by comparing their frequency in a document versus the entire dataset. Next is RAKE, rapid automatic keyword extraction, which identifies key phrases based on word co-occurrence patterns. Next is text rank algorithm, which words similarly to Google's PageRank, ranking words based on their relationships in the text. Next is BERT-based models using deep learning for context-aware keyword extraction. So some of the applications of keyword extraction in social media are trend detection and hashtag analysis, which identifies frequently mentioned words, hashtags, and trending topics, which helps brands track viral conversations, and also customer feedback and sentiment analysis, which extracts important keywords from customer reviews and complaints, and also provides insights into common concerns or praises. And next is content recommendation search optimization, which enhances searchability by identifying relevant keywords, which helps recommend content based on exact terms. And next is crisis management, which detects spikes in critical keywords. Here are some of the key applications of social media monitoring. So first is marketing and brand monitoring, which tracks brand mentions, consumer feedback, and campaign performance, which helps businesses understand how customer perceive their brand. Next is political analysis and public opinion, which analyze voter sentiment, data debates, and election trends, which helps political parties and analyze understand public perception towards their party. Next is crisis management, which detects negative sentiment spikes that signal a PR crisis, which enables brands to respond quickly before an issue escalates. Next is customer service and engagement, which identifies customer inquiries and automates responses using AI chatbots, improves customer experience by resolving issues in real time. Healthcare and public health surveillance, which monitors public discussions about disease outbreaks, vaccine hesitancy, and healthcare trends. It also helps healthcare agencies predict and respond to health crisis. And crisis communication in healthcare, which identifies and flags misinformation and fake news about health related topics. Next is market intelligence and competitive analysis, which analyzes competitors' social media strategies, which helps businesses adjust their marketing approach based on consumer discussions. And the last is social media trend analysis, which detects social media trend using topics like hashtags and viral content, which helps brands stay ahead of industry trends. In the ever evolving digital landscape, social media monitoring has become a critical tool for organizations to understand public sentiment, track emerging trends, and make data driven decisions. By applying IR techniques, businesses and institutions can effectively and efficiently process vast amount of user generated content and extract meaningful insights. Automated classification enables companies to categorize social media posts into complaints, compliments, or inquiries, allowing them to prioritize and respond effectively. Sentiment analysis helps assess the emotion tone behind customer feedback, providing real time insights into brand reputation, product reception, and crisis management. Topic modeling uncovers key themes in discussions, allowing organizations to identify emerging trends and align their strategies accordingly. Keyword extraction isolates the most relevant terms from conversations, helping brands track customer concerns, optimize marketing campaigns, and enhance content discovery. By integrating these advanced techniques, organizations gain a competitive edge, improving customer engagement, proactively managing crisis, and making well informed business decisions. In a fast paced digital world, harnessing the power of AI techniques ensures businesses remain agile, insightful, and responsive to evolving customer needs.